How does CFTR protein malfunction affect sweat glands in cystic fibrosis? Imagine your sweat glands as tiny factories that help keep your body balanced by reabsorbing salt from sweat. Normally, a special protein called CFTR acts like a gatekeeper, allowing chloride ions to move out of the sweat duct cells back into the body. This process also helps sodium follow chloride, and water moves along with them, reducing the salt content in sweat. In cystic fibrosis, mutations in the CFTR gene cause the protein to malfunction or not be made at all. Without a working CFTR, chloride ions can't leave the sweat duct cells effectively. This means chloride stays in the sweat instead of being reabsorbed. Since sodium ions usually follow chloride to maintain electrical balance, they also stay in the sweat, making it saltier than normal. Because water movement depends on salt reabsorption, when chloride and sodium are not reabsorbed properly, less water is drawn back into the body. This results in sweat that is abnormally high in salt and chloride, giving it a very salty taste. This characteristic salty sweat is so distinctive that it is often used as a diagnostic sign for cystic fibrosis. The sweat glands have a high concentration of CFTR proteins, especially on the surface of the duct cells. When CFTR is defective, it often doesn't reach the cell membrane properly, further impairing chloride transport. This defect is specific to the sweat gland's role in reabsorbing electrolytes, unlike other organs where CFTR influences mucus hydration and pH levels. So, in simple terms, when the CFTR protein doesn't work right, chloride and sodium can't be reabsorbed from sweat. This causes the sweat to become very salty, which is a hallmark feature of cystic fibrosis. Understanding this process helps explain why people with CF have such salty sweat and how this defect impacts other parts of the body. Always remember, if you or someone you know has concerns about cystic fibrosis or related symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Medical science continues to evolve, and personalized advice from a doctor is essential for proper diagnosis and management.